Hello, guys. This is your favorite boy, the Ghanaian young Pan Africanist, and I'm here with Miss Supra National. This week is AU Celebration Week, and today is the first day, and I'm here with Miss Supra National. Hello,
Hi,
good afternoon.
good afternoon, and okay, good afternoon, good morning, good evening to any time anyone watches this.
That's beautiful. I'm very happy to see you here. So it's all about Pan Africanism, and this week happens to be AU celebration week. So, what is your take about African Union?
African Union is a very good initiative, and I believe is a union that is being set aside to bring Africans together to help us market who we are and what we have. So we celebrating African Union Week this week. It's a very great initiative in the right direction, and I know and believe that we are here to learn, we are here to market, and we are here to tell people who we are, what we are, and where we come from.
Wow, that's very beautiful. Okay, I didn't even ask you about what is Miss Supranational is about. Like, yes,
So, Miss Supranational Ghana, it's a preliminary national competition to the internationals of Miss Supranational. So, Miss Supranational, it's a beauty pageant with a platform for inspiration and aspirational women. So we as Ghanaians, or I'm a representative at the internationals to be able to sell Ghana and also be able to create a platform where I can inspire the other generation, either being the older one or the younger generation. And I'm so passionate about period poverty, and that's what I'm using my platform for.
wow, that's so beautiful. Guys, it's all about changing the narrative, and she's here changing the narrative, raising the flag of Ghana map and then African to the world. That's very beautiful. So, this in 2019, Ghana celebrate the year of return. So, how do you see that event, and do we have that kind of events often, or how do you want, what's your tip about it?
So the Ghana Year of the Return event, I think it's a very amazing initiative because we have other people, trooping into Ghana, ready to learn what Ghana is all about, our tourist sites, and it has been marvelous, has been great. We have even our other, African country brothers saying, what are those in Ghana that people are trooping in and making noise about? And I think it's very great because we have even as Ghanaian, some of our tourist sites that we don't know are very beautiful, are being exploited because of foreigners. Because when they come in, they want to see beautiful sites, and I think it's a very great initiative. And now we have beyond the return, and I think it's good. We will get there. We will surely be. Tourism is a very good sector that we can market very well to be able to bring in more income to the country, and I think it's a great step in the right direction, and more funds will be
Okay,
contributed.
so right now we are in a stage where we want our brothers and sisters that are living in the diaspora to come back to their roots. This is where they belong to. So I just wanted to send a message across to our brothers and sisters that are living in the diaspora that I wanted to send a message across them to invite them to come to Africa.
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Helen Dimimate, Miss Supranational Ghana 2023, and I would like to tell everyone in the diaspora that you need to come to Ghana. You need to come feel Ghana, wear Ghana, travel Ghana, see Ghana, and trust me, you are going to love it, and it's going to be beyond your expectation. And if you are not here, trust me, you are missing.
Oh, that's beautiful. So guys, I want to use this opportunity to let you guys know that come back to Africa. This is your roots. This is where you belong to, and come and help, come and support Africa so that we'll build the Africa that we want.
Us and then equip us with the right skills. But we know skill is also very expensive. So that's why we need to invest into our youth by equipping them with skills so that we can have more jobs in Ghana and the government would have a peace of mind. Let me say it that way. Me born the top our chimo nti the year African Union in the title nyina na the theme nyina ye say yeah creative future na ye pe ochina no ene by say yeah boa ye youth no one sound with juma to say fashion, to say art, to say tourism, to say real estate, say yeah boy ye youth na ye investing into it, na ye promoting and ye did free day ye dria Ghana, ne ye produce Ghana, rather than say ye important or yes that's why we can export it. So at the end of the day, the any as a tree na ye do. But then the any say yeah promoting in sandwich my our Ghana because I know na ye GD say yeah unemployment yeah ye won't be and soon na basically. The 25th of May, which is the actual AU Day, where we are going to dive deeper on the theme, how we can unlock wealthy futures among the youth, followed by the 26th of May, which is the Friday, is the GBG Fashion and Art Awards to honor amazing stakeholders in the creative arts, the fashion, the tourism, and the real estate industry as well. And we crown it all on the Saturday, the 27th of May, with a trade expo with a number of African vendors, so that we patronize Ghana, we eat Ghana, we wear Ghana, and we propagate Ghana. So thank you all so much, and God bless you for coming. Thank you.
Everyone here should get involved in the celebration. We are also saying that you should contribute towards this great endeavor where our youth and the unemployed, skillful, talented individuals would have the opportunity to come up with their desire and love for photography and the art and the rest. We are grateful to everyone here, and like the leader said, we should go out and spread the good news. Don't also forget that in everything that we do, we need money also to push it out. We ask your little contribution, and those who are here and those who are not here, I'm hopeful that it will reach each and every one in Ghana and outside Ghana. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you also. So please, you can resume your seat. Of course, all too soon, Sawa.
The boy is naturalized as a Ghanaian citizen in 1965. After his death, the center was created and named after him to serve as a rallying point for all African. Richly bless you. Thank you.
You can do it better. Thank you very much, Reverend.
Thank you.
That was a wonderful insight. Thank you.
Of which fashion is an integral part. Nana Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, it is becoming worrisome to live with the reality that of many Ghanaians and other countries. Who is Du Bois? And why is a Du Bois